Hey guys, so in this video I will show you how you can remove card from EasyPark. So the first thing is you typically cannot delete it directly through the app or self-service portal. Uh, Instead, the platform is designed to replace your current card automatically when you add a new one. So how you can replace it? Um, we will go here at the top right corner where you see these three lines. Click on that, and then you will see these three big buttons at the beginning at the top. So press on payments, and here you will see payment settings, personal, and Google Pay. You will see here, and at the bottom you will see change payment method. Click on that, and like so, you have three options here. So now I have Google Pay. If I want to have a card directly in this app, I can do credit or debit card here, or I can press PayPal if I want to pay with the PayPal. And yeah, this is basically it. If I press here credit or debit card, now I will need to put in my card details and that and add card, and this will replace my Google Pay. Yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.